Hey everybody, it's me. Yay, I'm back. It's been a while since I've recorded, but so I wanted to tell you guys that, I'm thinking about getting a bird. I'm gonna have to ask my dad because he doesn't want a bird, but it'll be in my room. I have actually a very, very big room. It's beautiful. I love it. And I even wrote down some of the facts. African gray parrot. Woohoo! It's a gray parrot. Gray like my life. Help me. So, yeah. So, 36 centimeters max. Max age, 60. Yeah, pretty crazy. Length, 13 inches, 36 centimeters. Mass, 14. Scientific name, that. Order, that. Family, that. I don't know. But I hope that my dad realizes how much I want an African gray parrot. Because, I put all this effort into literally figuring out the scientific name, the order, the family, all this stuff. I even wrote down literally, I've spent about 5 hours studying African gray parrots. Their cages are expensive. The cheapest one is $120. That's expensive. I don't have that much money. Okay, yes I do. We're not gonna get into money. We're not getting into politics now. But yeah. So yeah. I love African gray parrots. I might have an obsession. I don't know. But I'm gonna ask my dad. Hopefully he says yes. We'll have to take care of it when I'm at my mom's house. Really awesome. So, if you're wondering about African gray parrots, they have to be out at least 1 to 2 hours a day. I probably let mine out 3 hours a day. You're also supposed to feed them. You're supposed to feed them fruit. They also like bread, breakfast bread. I don't know. It's weird, I know. But yeah, so they like that. Of course, bird mix, normal, normal stuff, food, yeah. So yeah, knowledge. Sorry, my stomach is not in the best mood right now. So yeah, that's some neat facts. Yeah, cool, right? Okay. So yeah, if I get an African gray parrot, I'm gonna name it Gray. And it's not because it's a gray parrot, it's actually because of a YouTuber named Gray. Gray Still Plays, go check him out. He loves breaking games. Go check him out. So yeah, Gray Still Plays. I might be able to get an African gray parrot. Gray. I would show you guys a picture, but I don't know how to get a picture up, so okay. Bye.